What is up, guys? Today I have a very interesting and useful video for any teenagers or even adults out there.
Okay.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money without having money. So you don't even need money to start these 3 businesses. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways. Now, obviously you can take surveys, but that's going to take way too long. So, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first one I would say is going to people's houses and asking to walk their dogs, you know? Oh, ask to dog care, babysitting, lawn their mow with their mower, so you don't need to have one. And that's honestly the most free version because you could build this up to a whole company if you really wanted to in the future. And the way to get free like advertisement would be to either post it on like apps, you know, or just go straight to your neighbor's house that has an annoying barking dog. They probably don't like walking them, but there, ask them, hey, what's good, you know, let me walk your dog. And they're probably gonna say like, how much does it cost? And for dog walking, you could say name your price if you're like a cute little 10-year-old. But if you're like an 18-year-old man, you're gonna have to say like a solid price. It's physical, it's very physical. I'd probably say like $17 an hour, bruh. Or it matters for distance too. You could just say that, it matters about distance, and then they'll tell you like a price usually. A second way to get advertisement for this job is like making posters. So I'll go on my computer right now and I'm gonna try and make a little ad for like a dog walking company. What you guys wanna do is go to your browser and search up Photopea. Like that. Then you want to go over here and you want to search up, you know, dog. And this is all you got to do. It's very simple, you know. So just a cute dog. Every dog you think looks cute. So that this one doesn't look that cute. But maybe this dog right here looks very cute. It has a little watermark on it. So we can use this one. First you want to go here, press new project. Now however big you want your poster to be, if you want to be vertical or horizontal. So I'm just gonna say 1270p, that's also a YouTube length. Download the image here, drag the image in. Use this magic wand right here. There's 3 options. This one with the little thing. Press the double circles in each other. Tolerance, anything. Make sure it's like decent at least. Then you press this thing right here, half like see-through, half white. And you just rasterize. And you could just erase it. Go here to select. If you think that the green around it still looks bad, then you can always change that. But this is just an example for you guys. Put the dog here, go over here, text, and then select any font and just put like dog, you know, dog walking company. Here I like this bold font. Make sure it's very big. And then you would also, if you actually wanted to like make it more like brandish, like your brand is this dog walking company, then I would recommend having like a little logo. So you can, honestly, you could search up dog brand logo right here. And if you go here, there's probably like a couple dog brand logos that you can use. Like you could see this one and then you could just literally put this little like cool hip dog right here and just put it in like the corner. And obviously you would want to make it more nice. This is just a little simple example. Alright guys, for the second way, I would recommend buying soda and selling it at your school. Now this, or not even at school, you could just set up a stand, okay? So if you are a teenager, most likely your parents will buy you soda or lemonade if you ask. Or just say that you want a loan from them. Go buy like a pack of sodas that are on sale, then go to your school, sell them. You're gonna make like $30, what is that, $20 profit, and then you're gonna go give your parents the $10 you owe them. That's $10 profit, and now you don't owe them anything, and you made the like $10 for yourself. Go buy sodas, boom, you're just making money on money. Now, the poster thing wouldn't work for this, but to get popularity would honestly post on your Instagram, follow a bunch of people from your school. If you can't get Instagram, go in person, ask people, do you want soda? Someone's gonna be drinking the soda. Oh, where'd you get that? Oh, I got it from Daniel, you know? And then basically your popularity will rise in school. You could also just walk around and sell it. People also like buying candies, you know, so if you get one of those like little cheap packs that just has like 100 candies, then you could easily make money with that tactic. Now, third option, and this one honestly, it will cost you a little bit of money, but it is eBay drop shipping. Now, I know I did say like free, and if you do the loan tactic, that is free, but you could obviously build from a dog brand to the soda brand and then to this eBay brand, and you could do all three of them at the same time. But this will just make you infinite income, and you will literally, honestly, you will never like run out of money really, because you'll always have 3 different places for income. And the soda one, you can make it automatic if you just hire people to do it for you at school. So for eBay, I do have a little video, I'll have it pop up somewhere, but eBay is a very simple one. You just basically buy a product from like Amazon, or from, you could go to your store, Walmart, go there, buy a product on sale, Pokemon cards, you know, those Pokemon cards work. I did that, I made some money on that pretty quick. But you basically want to go to eBay after you bought it on Amazon. You bought it on Amazon for $20, you sell it on eBay for $40. They pay shipping, and boom, you made $20. Alright guys, but if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll have 2 video suggestions right here, and I hope this little short video helped you guys for some ideas to make money. If you want a tutorial on the soda idea, I'll actually come out with a video like that, I guess next year, because it's almost summer already and I'm going to Hawaii. But I'll do that in public, actually, in Hawaii. Just sell sodas, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.